Wagwan, my beautiful people. Thanks for stopping by on the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I am in St. Elizabeth, one place in Holland, Lacovia, on the main road, very close to the Kingman restaurant. Yeah man, them place I take you to the Holland Bamboo, also to Middle Quarters, Black River, White House, Sablamar, Montego Bay, Newmarket. Yeah man, all of them places there, Louisville, Springfield. Yeah man, so enjoy the tour Fire Reid. Yeah man, I was requested to do this video. So if you know you're watching this video, give this video a big thumbs up guys. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Yeah, and abroad, we don't know say. On the tour guide Fire Reid, tour rural area, also town area in Jamaica. Yeah man, so just indicate where you're watching from. And if you learned something about our beautiful island Jamaica, just say yeah man. As you can know, the scenery of Holland Bamboo. Just the other day, Holland Bamboo was discharged by heavy rain. First was fire, now discharged by heavy rain. But still looking good guys, so I will take you through the Holland Bamboo. Enjoy the tour. So yeah, my people, you can like up the video free of cost. Yeah man, free of cost. You know, so we are taking the Holland Bamboo Avenue, Parish St. Elizabeth. Bamboo Avenue is located main course highway between Middle Quarters and Lacovia guys. And we all know the Holland Bamboo is 2.5 miles long. So in the Holland Bamboo we can get a lot of different types of fruits. Yeah man, we talk about the coconut, talk about your peanut, yeah man, a lot of things in the Holland Bamboo, corn, guinea. So you need to check out the Holland Bamboo area guys, and also your curry goats, yeah man, also your parched peanut. So I know a lot of people like their peanut porridge, so you need to stop and get to know peanut in the Holland Bamboo area guys. So keep on watching. So yes, people, so anybody watching from Lacovia, big up all the rice piece people them, also the coffee spend people them. You know, big up on yourself man, big up on yourself, coffee spend people them. You don't know anyone I watch from, don't know say Jamaica nice. No matter what go on, we still love the country, we love the island, our beautiful Jamaica. Peace my people, we are say there's some positive vibes on the channel. Yeah man. So you know this road can take you, you know, you get the sweet peppery shrimp in Middle Quarters guys. So when I go to airport, you also can stop and get on the peppery shrimp. Yeah man. No place so nice like yard. Yeah man, just need some money to enjoy the yard. And sometimes it's not the money to, you know. Once you step in Jamaica, you can just feel a different feelings. On your left, that is where you have the coffee spend district. Yeah man. If you make the right turn, it will take you all to Cornwall Mountain. Take you back to Magati also guys. So the need to go to Appleton, go check out the rum tour at the Appleton estate. In a few more seconds or could be minutes, we will be entering the Holland Bamboo area guys. Yeah man, so I said I do a lot of videos because I was requested to do this video, so I always try to reach out and support my fans them. Yeah man, so them tell me if you go on location I try my best to assist. Yeah, man. So guys, welcome to the Holland Bamboo Avenue. Yeah, man. So tell me what you think about the Holland Bamboo, guys. Tell me what you think. As I said, it was destroyed by fire and also by flood. So tell me what you think about the bamboo area, guys. Yeah, man, and you can see the coconut them. Lot of coconut vendors. And also, when you're in the Holland Bamboo, guys, always look out for a stray animal. And also, you have a lot of pothole in the bamboo, so you have to be very careful, because I don't want you to chop a tire in the middle of the night in the bamboo area, guys. So be very careful when you're coming through the Holland Bamboo. You have a lot of potholes in that area. Yeah, man, I'm talking to you. Just always look out for them potholes. Let me know, see I watch the video, you know. So just look out for the pothole. And I know, so one day I go visit Jamaica, and you go want to see the beautiful Holland Bamboo, guys. So look out for them potholes there. Bless up on yourself. So guys, when you come to St. Elizabeth area, there's a lot of attraction in St. Elizabeth. You have the YS Falls, you have the Safari Tour, you also have the Pelican Bar. You can go to Jack Spot, Jake's 77 West. Yeah, man, I also go up in the mountain of Monroe and view those nice windmill in the Monroe area. Very, very cool climate up there, guys. And also Nola's in Luana. Very nice scenery, nice food. So no need to check out them place there. Right at the Knoxford bus stop, there's a Nola restaurant. Yeah, man, them do all type of food there. So you need to check it out, guys. So you see the bamboo them, how them tear down the road. That caused by a flood, a lot of rain from the other day. Yeah, man, so destroy the bamboo them. So I think the government needs to get some more bamboo and plant in the area, because people from all over, when they are coming through the bamboo, they have to stop, come out of them car and take some nice pictures. This is a nice memory area. Yeah, man, I have to tell the people them say, yes, so a Holland Bamboo, put up on Instagram and make them know so to visit Holland Bamboo Facebook, Twitter. Yes, my people. So this are the curry goat stop. Get your curry goat and roti or your fried chicken, anything what you want. So take a view, my people. So guys, anytime I stop in the Holland bamboo to get my parched peanut, yeah man, it's just a ital. No whole heap of salt upon the peanut. They have to check fatty. Yeah man, fatty can give you the ital peanut which she parch. Yeah man, so this is fatty's place. Yeah man, I'm gonna show you how I go on same way. Most people know about the Middlesex community. So you see the white bus there? That's where you're going to the Middlesex area, guys. Yeah, man, Middlesex, them call up here. So them farm a lot of papa in that area, guys. So they can check out the Middlesex community. Yeah, man, and in this area also get some nice jerk pork and also jerk chicken. After you cross the bridge on your right, there's a jerk center right on your right. So they can get in a jerk pork and a jerk chicken right over there. Well seasoned overnight, you know. So you need to check out them place there. And also there's a, after leaving the Holland Bamboo, there's a gas station right on your right, going towards the longest corner in Jamaica, which is in the middle quarters area, guys. So this is the gas station. So remember, stop up and get to the gas at the total gas station. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. As you see, the journey was from Lacovia Main Road from Kingman Restaurant to this total gas station, guys. So big up on yourself again. One love, one heart. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. Always remember, share the video, like the video, free of cost. One love, one heart. Peace and out.